trivia. Did you know that the month of May is the birth month of the superstar, our superstar, Nora Honor? The birth date is May 21st, 1953. And you know that Superstar was the name of her very long-going show, variety show. We all started our careers there. Kind of like an ASAP, just, she was the star. We would do song and dance numbers with her. And of course, she was the superstar, Nora Honor. Now when I say the name Nora Honor, what comes to mind?
Ako po, syempre, national artist.
Okay.
Walang himala!
Ayan.
Yes.
Ako naman, of course, how she's remembered as one of the most awarded and nominated actresses in the history of the Philippine cinema.
Yes, of course, an icon, a legend, a GOAT, the greatest of all time.
That's right.
Yes, 1995 Cairo Film Festival Best Actress.
That's right.
Ito, mata-mata acting.
Mata-mata.
Mata-mata, tama naman.
Ganun lang.
Yun.
Of course, box office queen also of the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s.
Yes, and iconic movies na napanood hindi lang sa Pilipinas but around the world, of course.
Yes, the list can go on and on, but we don't have time for that long list because it's very, very long. And I just want you all to know how proud I am.
Isang lola. Isang simpleng babae mula sa Iriga, Camarines Sur, lumaki sa isang payak na pamilya. 5 taon lamang siya ay nagbebenta na ng tubig sa tren. Nakatira sa isang bahay kubo na gasera lamang ang nagbibigay ilaw sa gabi at madalas nakapaalamang kapag pumapasok sa paaralan. Pero, sadyang iba ang nakaukit na tadhana para kay Nora Villamayor. Dahil sa kanyang talento, naging kampiyon siya sa tawag ng tanghalan noong 1967 kung saan nakilala na siya bilang si Nora Honor. Dito siya nagsimulang minahal at niyakap ng masa hanggang sa bumida siya sa mga pelikula at telebisyon kung saan lalong nagningning ang kanyang bituin. With a career spanning more than 7 decades, hindi talaga malilimutan ang naging kontribusyon niya sa industriya. Bilang pag-alala sa kanyang natatanging kwento, ito ang isang awitin mula sa ASAP Coral, Jed Madela, and Angeline Quinto. Para sa nag-iisang superstar, ang superstar ng buhay natin, Miss Nora Honor.